Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday, March 14th, just after 1 o'clock, and I'm up here at the Parham Fairgrounds. I'm about to undertake my first bike ride of 2025, so I'm very excited. The weather's gotten really nice again today. It's 10 degrees right now, so I thought I'd head west on the road here. It goes right over to Tamworth. Now, I'm not going to go that far today, but I may ride for an hour each way or so, depending how I feel. Had to get out. I'm even wearing shorts. I brought some longer pants, but it feels warm enough to just wear shorts. So hopefully that'll remain true and I won't get too cold, but either way, it's 10 degrees or about 52 Fahrenheit. So let's get underway. Man, it's just beautiful out here. Just gorgeous. I'm so glad I came out. My legs aren't cold at all with the shorts on. For the top, I've got this light shell windbreaker here. I have a long sleeve semi-turtleneck under that, and then I actually put on an undershirt, and I probably didn't even need the undershirt. I feel fine. Maybe gonna get too warm in a while, but just beautiful out here. And just a light breeze from the west coming towards me, but nothing major. And as you can see, there's still lots of snow on the sides of the road in the fields and whatnot, but it's going quickly now. And it won't be long before it's probably all gone, a week or so. Well, about a half hour in now and things are going great. My legs are a bit weak from not riding all winter, but I've been doing a lot of walking, and of late I've been doing a little bit of elliptical work, so they're certainly not totally out of shape, but not quite in my riding shape yet. Oh, it's just a gorgeous afternoon. Couldn't be nicer. Beautiful out. And the scenery is beautiful, very quiet, and the road traffic isn't very heavy, which I knew when I came here. That's one of the reasons I picked this site. red-shouldered hawk calling off in the distance, and I had my first killdeer back at the Parham Fairgrounds. So almost an hour in now, and I just want to keep going. I don't know how far I'm going to go. Probably not too much further, but probably 10 or 15 minutes more maybe. Don't want to get too crazy for my first time out, but beautiful. Just beautiful. And here I am at the Fifth Depot Lake boat launch. And as you can see, the lake is still covered in ice, but it is starting to gray up and turn to slush on the top, so it won't be long. Back on the road again. Well, it's 2:17, and as you can see by the sign behind me, I'm at California Road. So I think that's as far as I'm going to go. As much as I'd like to go further, I am starting to feel it a bit now. And I've been riding for about an hour and 10 minutes, so I've got probably that or a bit less to go on the way back. I'll probably be going faster on the way back because I'll have the wind with me and I'm not going to be taking as many video clips. Oh, beautiful. So this is the same California road I walk with the dogs a lot of times, but I walk on the south end of it. Anyhow, I guess I'll head back. what I really like about this ride is that I feel like I'm back in the 1950s or 60s. You're riding along a really nice 2-lane road, nicely paved and smooth. There's very little traffic. You go through large areas of countryside with very few houses or anything in it. You have the sounds of nature, obviously. And then you've got the beautiful rocks of the Canadian Shield that you're cutting through quite often along the route. So it's just gorgeous. And I feel like I'm in an old-time pamphlet for the Department of Highways or something. It's just beautiful. There aren't too many places that I know of, around here at least, that you can get that feeling. Sure, if you go way up north around Algonquin Park or whatever, you get more of that feeling, but not down here in the south very often. Most of the roads have become a lot more built up and full of traffic. meltwater here in the big swamp. And up there further, there's some geese and a couple hooded mergansers in the water, which probably won't be visible here, but hear a kingfisher calling back there in the marsh. There's a little bit of high cloud moving in from the west now, and the air just has a little bit more of a cool feel to it than it did earlier, but it's still very nice out. Okay, it's 3:29 and we're back at the Parham Fairgrounds where we started. So that took about the same amount of time to come back. I did make a couple little diversions on the way back too, and I was still doing some video, but nothing too much to slow me down. I'm not sure what the distance is. I'll have to check it out on Google Earth. I think it's 15 or 20 kilometers over to California Road from here. So probably a bit anywhere from 35 to 40, but I'll check and put it in here. Beautiful ride, great way to start the cycling season. The sky is getting a little grayish or whitish over towards the west. I think there's that big storm system moving in from the central states area that's going to be hitting us more tomorrow night into Sunday, I think. But the temperatures are going to stay warm, which is nice. And looking forward to getting spring here for sure. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed that ride. Beautiful afternoon for cycling, my first time in 2025.